My classmate in Rotary, Miss Lani Pedregosa. Bakit po kayo naniwala sa kanya? Because the mere fact that she believes in the product and she believes in the company, it is more than enough for me to believe in everything. Because I really believe it. And so, mas malamang mahaba na ang journey ko sa inyo lahat, no? Agree? Diba?
Yes.
And dahil mahaba na ang journey ko sa inyong lahat, I always do some reflections. And maybe you are also doing some reflections. Gusto ko kayong tanongin because laging tanong ko ito sa sarili ko. Laging tanong ko ito sa sarili ko. Tulungan natin ang isa't isa. Lagi kong tinatanong ang sarili ko, what do I chase most in life? Yun. What do I chase most in life? In my journey to life? Maraming sagot dyan, no? Sabi time, sabi ganito, sabi ganito. But I come up with only one answer and I do believe you will believe me. We always chase what? Wealth, di ba? Wealth. From the beginning, kinder pa lang tayo, dinala tayo sa school to have the foundation of knowledge. In high school, to have the foundation of better knowledge. And in college, to have the foundation of the best knowledge. Meron pang doctoral, masteral and doctoral, etc. Right? So you agree with me? Yes. So kahit ako matanda na, I still change well. Why? Because I want to leave a legacy. I want to help other people. I have to have the means to be of help to someone and to be able to touch somebody's life. Next! And what are the two things that we battle most in life? Reflection ko rin yun. Do you know the answer?
Yes.
My answer is health and wealth. Ipaglalaban ko ang aking kalusugan. No matter what. That's why I'm here. Correct? Correct? At ipaglalaban ko rin ang wealth. Kaya nga, yun ang laging chine-chase. And one thing that I define most in life, baka you will agree with me, I define the process of aging. Bakit tumatanda? Yung little apo ko, huwag ka nang tumanda sana. I like you the way you are. You're so cute. Kaya lang, it's a process, hindi maiiwasan. And what is the thing that we combat in life? We combat disease, di ba? Nilalabanan natin yan. Kaya nga kahit lagundi, kahit dahon ng bayabas, umaasa tayo sa kanila. But I'm thinking that it will help us. No? Because we combat disease. And here in Riwe, all the answers, all the solutions to these issues can be addressed here. Do you agree with me? Yes! Yan, very good. But tonight, I will just speak about the one of the P's, the P's of product. Because we believe health is wealth. Especially that nowadays, diseases are so prevalent. Diba? Usong-usong ang sakit. Ha? Bakit hindi matapos na bata pa may sakit na rin? Usong-usong. And we say health is wealth. So we have to have the ultimate healthcare program to combat diseases and defy aging. And what is that health program? Well, we have it here in Riwe. Yan. As they say, prevention, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. Agree? Yes. Agree? Okay. At ang sabi pa nga, our body has the ability to build our own anti-aging mechanism when it is healthy. May condition. Kaya ang sabi nga, the fundamental principle of good health is what? Prevention. Prevention. Yan. Pero hindi pa rin eh. Because there are debilitating factors compromising our health. Yung isang na nga yun, 73. The aging process, hindi maiiwasan. Diba? Pero mayroong mga bata pang edad, mukhang nagkaedad na rin. Diba? Because of inevitable stress. Hindi rin yan maiiwasan. Pag dumating na si Judith, di ba? Ay, tarantang-taranta na tayo. Ay, ito na si Judith. Kilala niyo ba si Judith? Yes! Alright, ay, hindi ko kilala si Joel. Turuan mo ko mamaya. Okay. Ano pa? Yung raw diet. Akala natin, it's just food. that we need to have to fill in our tummy para tayo mabusog. We have to be choosy about the food. What is it that we put in our tummy? Yan ba'y nakakalusot? Yan ba'y nakakapagkasakit? So, wrong diet, unhealthy lifestyle, diba? Pollution. These are all debilitating factors para tayo magkaroon ng tinatawag na chronic illnesses. Very common, di ko na isa-isahin. Lahat tayo sa pamilya may experience. I'm sure lahat, di ba? Maswerte yung wala, no? Pero ako, in my family, one died. My brother died of cancer at 2. Another sister died of cancer. Ang tatay ko, Alzheimer's. Nawala na yung Alzheimer. But Alzheimer's. O, ayan pa. Oo. And these are chronic illnesses. Lingering illnesses. The bad news is, even the doctors know that there is no cure to all these chronic diseases that can only be maintained for a period of time, or we will take that preventive maintenance for life. But just the same, one day, we will be like balloons. We will burst. Di po ba? Di po ba? Yan po ang chronic illnesses. Kaya nakakatakot, di po ba? And the doctors think that it is a closed road, a dead end. Dead end po ba? It's not. It's not. Because it's so good that the stem cell is discovered. And it was a breakthrough. The discovery of the stem cell. Ano ba itong stem cell?